Dallas, Texas. Head cam, raw footage, picking up a, I don't know, we're picking up two things. Let's go.
So I gotta drive like this, huh?
Yeah. It's raw footage. We don't cut, or we don't edit.
So I gotta drive looking at you is what you're telling me?
No.
Oh.
I don't talk. You just work like you normally do. All right, we messed up. Right off the bat, we should have been in the backyard. We kind of fucked this up. We're going to the backyard. Really, we're just recording one video today.
Deeper shit.
What was it, this?
On your phone. Holy shit. Imagine getting to that damn driveway every day.
But if you have room, use it. So this guy, and that guy. Okay. Which, by the way, that still works.
Oh, it does, huh?
Oh yeah. I just don't have any place that I need it with it.
I think we break this down.
And that's free. Do what?
I think we should break this down.
With what?
I think we should break it down.
I got you.
Yeah, with what?
With our hands.
I got a crowbar inside.
You work out like I do. Get some weight on you. Y'all two watch, okay?
I'm
I want you to say nothing, just watch.
I don't see this going right, but
I'll see what he's trying to do. You probably want to do this right here. You push that arm right there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I saw what you do. It's like a box.
I just want to point out something really quick. These two dudes, this guy's as big as I am, and nobody wants to help me out.
See, he's trying to give me credit on camera that I'm as big as he is. He knows how to.
Nobody wanted to help me. You see Matt, he's just standing around with this guy just right next to him.
There we go.
We got some pieces in it.
Who needs tools?
Yeah, who needs tools? There's cavemen around here. So you just cleaning up your house?
Now we just moved in.
Oh, congratulations,
Yeah,
man.
thanks. This was
the first timer?
no, this is my second house.
Oh, okay. Congratulations anyway.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Well, moving into a bigger house, it's
No,
more
it's
crap.
a good neighborhood.
Yeah, it's a nice neighborhood. I moved from right across the street.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
So, I like this neighborhood.
Got a lucky car, but
Do what?
you got a lucky car, but still, you got a lucky car anyway.
Well, at least it's time I have a garage that works.
Yeah, I hear you.
The last one, it wasn't. This was tough on. I did a half room. This was left over here. Really? I have to get that down. Whoa!
Mike Polo, remember when he
your dog?
my dog? We tied him up to a cart.
Took the car.
Yeah, he took him and me.
Oh gosh.
And then get it off.
Yeah, y'all stay hot. Y'all gotta stay hydrated today.
Jeez, we're taking it easy. Actually, we took a day off, so we're putting a hitch on the back of this truck.
Oh, gotcha.
But we are so booked up.
That's good.
I got the other guys running around. This is my son. So
Ah,
he just graduated from Frisco.
oh, congrats.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
You know, making extra money.
Oh, good. Where are you gonna go?
Colin, and then
Good.
and then
See?
yeah, and then looking to transfer into tech. Yeah,
What are you gonna be studying?
computer science.
That's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Go to the FBI and make lots of money. And fun job.
Dude, they're not gonna let you get a. I've been arrested before for driving too fast.
I don't know you.
Yeah, they're not gonna give him a job.
They'll just give him the side eye. He'll be alright.
He will not let your dad. I was pulled over doing 140.
You were testing out the rental car.
Yeah. I got a ticket in Corvette in a rental car too, actually. That's what he got. A long time ago.
They're not in the car, that's why you open them up. I'm fortunate I get travel for work. They give me a Camaro. What? Did you get a ticket? No, I got out of Alaska, thank God. Yeah, they gave me a Camaro one time.
I rented a car with my girlfriend. We get this and that. We were going and I was doing 100 in California.
Oh, God.
I don't know. That extra leg they have. That's how it cost me. And I went to jail, dude. I was in there for like 3 hours.
Oh, God.
He bailed me out.
You went to county. You went to county.
She bailed me out of there, so we didn't even know each other back there. We're still together to this day. It's weird.
There you go.
Here it is, Junk Guys at its worst. Right here, Maddie's going to attempt to load this by himself.
Again? Jeez.
You had a double door a couple of days ago, right?
Yeah,
So you had a day ago, what, you were in Frisco?
something like that.
Lift from the legs.
Yeah, oh, well, he's got a method for it. We're going to check out his method. And then when he can't do it, Dad will have to do it for him.
At least y'all have fun.
Should I tip it over?
We do a lot of stuff.
Should I tip it over?
Of course, you got to tip it over. So the
No,
method-
like
This is what,
the
sir.
motor?
The homeowner of the, turn around this way. This is the homeowner, so we can have Maddie in the background. The refrigerator. It's you know how much, you know how expensive, I mean how heavy
Yes.
it is. So we got a little kid. He weighs what? We're saying $140,
No, 160.
160, and the fridge weighs about how much?
Yeah, no way.
Oh, you got that.
Yeah, we got it right. Here we
You got
go.
that.
So this is an official lift. This is an official lift. What do you think's going on here before he lifts? What do you
First
think?
of all, I'm on a downhill.
Yeah. Oh, he's
Really
excuses.
bad.
So he's got excuses.
I mean, look at the damn hill.
We got a hill. We got a vertical hill right here. We're sweaty like dogs. And here
You got
goes.
it. You got it from the legs.
We got it from the legs right here.
You gotta go down.
Dude, there's no way. This hoe is heavy.
Okay, hold on 1 second. What are you chances of him getting it up there for real?
I give him a 30% chance.
Yeah, 30. Oh, definitely. I'm below you. I'm gonna
That's-
20.
Okay.
I'm giving myself like 5.
5% chance?
See, you gotta believe in yourself.
Yeah, to believe.
No way. This thing is like 4 times my size.
Yeah, it is. $150 against what? $150 really? I think they both weigh. I think it weighs about 150 pounds. Maddie, I got faith in you.
Dude, I'm downhill.
We're
Hella,
gonna do a
dude.
countdown.
The other one I was
Countdown,
flat.
All right. From 5 or 10.
Five.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push.
Come on,
Push.
Maddie.
You got it.
Maddie.
You got. Oh,
It's okay. Stop.
Yeah.
I got it, Maddie. I got it.
I'm telling you, bro.
Hey, that was good.
Hey, I thought you had it.
Yeah, there goes my back.
Oh, jeez. So that's what happens when you got a rookie.
That was good effort.
That thing is way too damn heavy.
And we'll have to do it for him. So don't try to attempt this when you weigh just as much as the refrigerator. That's a bad deal. That's a bad deal. So let me see, Maddie.
You're like vlogging. Funny.
Yeah, you gotta get used to these things. Oh, this one's a bad boy too. Oh, this one's way too heavy for you, Maddie.
I told you.
But you tried.
Yeah, and you kind of.
There's no chance. No chance.
Oh. Fail. You knew I was gonna get it up there.
I had no doubt.
What'd you think of the shit show that we just did here?
That was pretty seamless. Got been here in 5 minutes. He's done.
Done. He's in there. I'm sweating like a dog. Yeah.
I didn't even do anything. I was sweating. But he had more sweat.
Yeah, he just stood around and watched my son epic fail.
Hey, if it had dropped, that would have been epic.
Yes. So we're gonna load it right now and just finish this off.
Nice.
Yeah, that thing was fucking heavy, dude. Big time. What do you think you put this, man? I can put it right here if you
Move the damn fridge over.
You want to move it over?
The fridge has so much space.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Can move it
Now you're
forward.
paying attention.
You can go up more.
Yeah, how?
Let me get it, bro. Okay.
I have straps if we need.
No, we don't need strap. This thing's
You might do this. Put that up.
Yeah,
Drop it right
put
in
it
between.
there, yeah.
It'll secure it in.
Let's hold this up like this. You know what? Put that over there. Yeah, we'll put this over there too.
So do you edit your own videos?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a lot of fun.
Nah, it's pain. It takes a long time.
Oh yeah, it does.
Takes a long, long time.
You do all the.
This one's gonna be a little small one. So, like, it'll do this. It'll catch this part right here. Now, you know.
Quick.
Ooh.
Got some weight to it, right?
Yeah. Come on in here, boss.
1, 2. Take those pieces.
There you go, man.
This one ain't going.
What else you got? Which the shelf?
These two.
I can get one of them out. You got enough room for some wood?
I don't know. I'm driving.
Huh, you're good, mate. Go on, right.
You sure?
Yeah, we got both pick up maybe in a couple weeks, so it's no big deal at all. I appreciate y'all coming out and getting this stuff, though.
Yeah. That's what we do, man. We're the junk guys.
Hey, y'all are awesome.
We're done here in Dallas. Maddie, come on over here. We tried to pick up the fridge. Owner, come on over. You're part of the video. We're done, man. What'd you think of our A1 quality service that we came to?
A1 quality service.
I wasn't finished.
Expedition.
A quality, superior, 5-star, Google review, Yelp 4.9 star, superior gold, platinum, Dubai, you know, listing. I think I'm done. 5-star Chevrolet. What'd you think of the service?
I agree with all of those. And he says what I'm saying. I
Yeah.
don't have that much wind in my lungs.
Yeah. There you go. We're done here, guys. We just lifted. Well, Maddie lifted. He tried, and then we finished it off. This is a job that I come out to him. We haven't done this before, where I come out and help him out. So it is complete, Maggie. What'd you think you did? How'd you think?
Didn't budge the fridge at all.
I thought you did.
You got it off the
Oh,
ground.
you got it off the ground.
Yeah, it was the
that
downhill.
thing was effing heavy.
It was the downhill.
It was.
It was heavy.
really heavy.
It was heavy. It was downhill. There was oil on the ground.
Okay.
It's uphill. It's
Right.
snowing.
Yeah.
Um,
His hands are sweaty.
Sweaty. Yeah. You have a head cam, extra weight.
Yeah, bees in my ear.
Bees in his ear. The guy was the homeowner was distracting him the whole damn time.
I was making
Lift. I'm like, dude, chill.
I didn't even
lift.
give him. I only gave him 30%.
It's 30%. I gave him 20%. That was the worst. We're done with this, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Guys, don't forget, if you like these videos, subscribe over to the right side. On the left side, check out my other videos. I'll talk to you later.
Later.
Bye-bye. Oh, you too.
Good job.
You sure you don't want to break that down, man?
Yeah.
Matt, you pay him. He's the one. He's his truck today, not mine.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You
James.
need any change, boss?
Just 10.
$10? Do you have $10 on you?
I believe so. Let me see.
Thanks for coming out, guys. It's a good idea. They're doing the video stuff, though.
Oh, yeah, we will.
I'll get you on the Instagram next.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I
then
am
you
on
just
Instagram.
Do the live story while he's trying to lift that thing. Think about it.
Oh, that's right. You
Yeah,
can do that.
you do the live. You can either live stream it, or you can. What's the other thing? You can put it on your stories. I would do
We're
that.
so popular on
Then you can
YouTube.
hashtag it.
Yeah. Hashtag and do all that crap,
Or
right?
you can say if you want more immediate content,
Yeah.
you go to Instagram instead of having to wait for you to edit a video.
That's the head cam. That I just upload.
Right, but that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But if you had your iPhone right now and you watched them,
Yeah.
it's there immediately.
That is
And
true,
then you
isn't
can
it?
come back and do the whole story. You just do a piece and hey, go to YouTube to see the rest of it.
That's true.
Yeah.
He's right about that.
You know what that is?
Yeah. I'm gonna do my 10-second video anyway.
There you go.
Yeah, just not live, but
Oh yeah.
just do it. All right, guys, just finished up. Maddie finished up loading a couch, a sleeper sofa, and a fridge in the back of a pickup truck. So this is about $110, $120 worth of trash, guys. Check it out right there. Boom. You can do this with 4 trucks without a hitch, but we're getting that today. Junk Guys, check us out online. Okay.
Nice. Cool.
Let's get out of here, brother. Thank
Appreciate
you so
you
much.
guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck at in Quad C.
What the hell's that?
Collin County Community College.
Oh, that's it.
Quad C.
Yeah.
You see that slang?
He knows. He knows.
I'm from Sherman, so I know all of it.
Okay. Okay.
See you later, brother.
Take care, guys. Stay safe. Drink water.
Yes, definitely. Thank you.